The year is 2025. A sense of anticipation hangs in the air. Could this be the year XRP finally breaks free from its chains and rockets towards the moon? The cryptocurrency world watches with bated breath, eager to see if XRP can fulfill its potential and become a dominant force in the global financial system. Buckle up, because the ride could get wild. XRP has always been a bit of an enigma, a cryptocurrency with immense promise, but also facing significant hurdles. On the one hand, its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees make it a strong contender for real-world use cases, particularly in cross-border payments. On the other hand, the ongoing legal battle between Ripple, the company behind XRP, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission casts a long shadow over its future. The outcome of this legal battle could be a make-or-break moment for XRP. A favorable ruling could unleash a wave of investment and adoption, sending its price soaring. However, an unfavorable ruling could severely hamper its growth prospects. The stakes are high and the tension is palpable. As of January 13, 2025, XRP finds itself in a state of cautious optimism. The cryptocurrency market has endured a tumultuous period, with Bitcoin's price experiencing significant fluctuations. Despite these choppy waters, XRP has managed to maintain a relatively stable position, hovering around insert current XRP price here. This resilience is a testament to the underlying strength of XRP's technology and its potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. While the SEC lawsuit continues to loom large, many investors remain confident that XRP will ultimately prevail and emerge stronger than ever. The outcome of the lawsuit will likely have a ripple effect throughout the entire cryptocurrency market. A victory for Ripple could set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies facing regulatory scrutiny, while a defeat could embolden regulators to crack down harder on the industry. All eyes are on the courtroom as the fate of XRP hangs in the balance. Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is a fool's errand, akin to predicting the weather 6 months in advance. However, that doesn't stop analysts and experts from gazing into their crystal balls and offering their predictions for XRP's price on January 20, 2025. Some analysts, buoyed by XRP's technological advantages and the potential for a positive SEC ruling, believe that XRP could reach insert optimistic XRP price prediction here by January 20, 2025. They envision a world where XRP becomes the go-to cryptocurrency for cross-border payments, facilitating faster and cheaper transactions than ever before. Others are more cautious, acknowledging the significant risks posed by the ongoing SEC lawsuit and the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. They predict that XRP's price will likely remain range-bound in the short term, potentially reaching insert conservative XRP price prediction here by January 20, 2025. These analysts advise investors to temper their expectations and brace themselves for a bumpy ride. The cryptocurrency market is not for the faint of heart. It's a wild west of price swings, driven by speculation, FOMO, and the occasional herd mentality. One minute you're riding high on a wave of green candles, the next you're plummeting down a red abyss. Several factors contribute to this volatility, including regulation, adoption, and market sentiment. Uncertainty surrounding government regulations can make or break a cryptocurrency's price. A whiff of a crackdown can send investors running for the exits. The more widely adopted a cryptocurrency is, the more stable its price tends to be. Conversely, cryptocurrencies with limited real-world use cases are more susceptible to wild swings. Cryptocurrency prices are heavily influenced by sentiment, both positive and negative. A single tweet from Elon Musk can send a cryptocurrency's price soaring or crashing down to earth. This volatility is both a blessing and a curse. It creates opportunities for savvy investors to make significant profits, but it also carries the risk of substantial losses. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your research before hitting that buy button. So, should you invest in XRP? The answer, as with most things in life, is not so simple. It depends on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and understanding of the cryptocurrency market. Here are some things to consider. The outcome of the SEC lawsuit will likely have a significant impact on XRP's price. A favorable ruling could send it soaring, while an unfavorable ruling could severely damage its prospects. XRP's underlying technology is undeniably impressive. Its fast transaction speeds and low fees make it well-suited for real-world use cases, particularly in cross-border payments. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile, and XRP is no exception. Be prepared for wild price swings and only invest what you can afford to lose. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in XRP is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer, only informed and uninformed ones. Do your research, weigh the risks and potential rewards, and make a decision that's right for you. This is not financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly speculative, and investments can result in significant losses. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. What are your thoughts on XRP's future? Share your predictions and join the conversation in the comments below.